Once you have a toolset, keeping it organized and optimized is the key to long-term productivity. Dial in your toolsets, modify tool order, labels, and properties, then share them with collaborators so everyone's working from the same set. Open the tool chest panel and select Manage Toolsets. From the dialog, you can see all sets currently available in your workspace. If you want to change a toolset's name, visibility, or where it appears, right-click the set and choose Edit. You can update the name for clarity, hide the set from profiles you don't need, or enable Show in All Profiles for easy cross-project availability. Inside the Edit Toolset dialog, look at the list of included markups. Drag them up or down to change the display order to match your typical workflow. For example, maybe you always want the cloud tool at the top for fast access. If your team uses custom symbols or processes, group similar markups together by type or function. You can even assign markups to a specific color or fill property as a visual cue, so your most important tools are always easy to spot. Keeping tools in properties mode allows you to use flexible shapes. Alternatively, you can save common symbols in drawing mode so they place exactly as designed. Toggle between the two by double-clicking the customized tool in your toolset or by right-clicking and selecting the mode you need. Switch to Detail View in any toolset by clicking the settings icon in the tool chest and selecting Detail. This lets you add or edit comments and labels. If you need to remove a markup or swap one out, just right-click the entry and select Delete. The change is immediate and permanent for the toolset. Review also lets you customize toolset columns. Select Manage Toolset Columns from the menu and toggle which fields to display in Detail View so your markups show only what's relevant for your workflow. If you're using punch keys or specialized markups, you can add new punch keys directly in the Toolset Management dialog. Assigning them with subjects, letters, shapes, and layers. Finally, hotkeys can help you rapidly place markups or switch toolsets without pausing your workflow. Click the Settings gear and select Enable Number Shortcuts to assign a unique hotkey to your toolset. By reviewing and refining your toolsets periodically, you keep your tool chest relevant and reduce clutter.